Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and make use of your smartwatch in workouts, okay, during workouts. So currently I'm making use of the Oraimo Smart Watch. So in this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make use of the Oraimo Smart Watch for your workouts and how to go ahead and set out every single thing. Okay, so currently, as you can see right here, the Oraimo watch is currently on. It's currently off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to switch it on by pressing the on button right here. I'm going to switch it on. So I'm doing that right now. Okay, so as you can see right now, the watch is on. I'm going to go ahead and increase the brightness so you can actually see what I'm actually doing. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's on. So it's increased with a cool brightness. So I'm going to bring it back and take it back to the home section. So yeah, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and open the Joywear 2 app. Okay, make sure you have the Joywear 2 app installed on your mobile phone, depending on the phone you're actually making use of. So currently I'm going to go there and open Joywear 2. And also guys, you need to also turn on your Bluetooth. So I'm going to do that before I open the Joywear 2 app. I'm going to close it back again and come back and turn on my Bluetooth. Then now once I've turned my Bluetooth, it's going to connect automatically to my watch. So I'm going to open the Joywear 2 app and my watch is connected. So as you can see right here, it's saying connecting, and right now it's connected. So as you can see right here, it also has this light at the back that shows read your heartbeat. Okay, so currently, as you can see, this is what the Joywear 2 app actually looks like. In order for you to go ahead and start making use of it for workouts, what you need to do is you need to set your goals. You need to set your goals. So come to the sports section. So once you come to the sports section, you're going to see different kinds of sports. You're going to see walking, outdoor running, indoors. Depending on what you actually want to do, you can go ahead and set it right here. So you're going to give a goal settings to all those things so you can achieve them when you're actually trying to work out. Okay, so let's say for example you're actually just trying to go for a walk. You can actually set your goals, do your goal setting on your sports section. So you just come to the goal settings, then set the distance you want to walk. Currently I set mine to 5.0 kilometers, so you can actually increase your own to be 15 depending on how you want. So mine is always as 5, and you can set your duration to whatever duration you want. Maybe you want to do that, you want to complete it in 30 minutes, you can actually do that. If you want to complete it in 20 minutes or 5 minutes, you can actually go ahead and do all of that. And you can set your calories, okay, how many calories you want to burn in during that period. And if you go back, you can actually go ahead and click on the plus icon and select more sports you actually wish to conduct. Okay, so currently my selected sports are the walking, outdoor running, indoor running, and bicycle. So I can also go ahead and select more like soccer. I can select soccer, I can select cricket, I can select table tennis, I can select swimming. So most of the time I don't wear my smartwatch for swimming, so I won't check the one for swimming. So depending on what you're actually doing, you can actually go ahead and set it. So currently this is my goals. So let me say for example I'm going to set mine to 10 and click on. If I click on start, it's going to start automatically. As you can see right here on my watch, it's going to start automatically on my watch. So if I click on if I decide to unlock it, I can also hold it to unlock, and I can suspend this. I can click on finish, and that's it on how to go ahead and start your workout on the Oraimo watch. On your phone. Sorry. Then if you want to also go ahead and conduct the workouts with your phone without having to make use of your phone, without making use of your phone, then you can actually do this, and this is how you can actually go ahead and do it. Okay, so as you can see right now my screen is on. This is what my screen looks like. So what I'm going to do is to swipe. I'm going to swipe to this section. Once you swipe, you're going to see workouts. Tap on workouts. So once you tap on workouts, you're going to see different spots you can actually go ahead and select from. So you select from the spot, so you don't have to if your phone is actually in your pocket or in your bag, and sure, because when you're actually running, you don't want to hold your phone while running, so you want to keep your phone somewhere and you can actually wear your watch. So I'm going to select the indoor or outdoor running. So once I click indoor or outdoor run, it's going to start the timer immediately and I can start running, and it's going to show me distance I've covered. Well, currently, as you can see, since I'm not running, the distance is 0. Okay, so this is how you can actually go ahead and start your workout on Oraimo. And if you want to go ahead and end it, you just swipe and you click on pause. If you want to pause, and you can swipe again and click on stop. And this exercise, the exercise time is too short, will you like to log it over? I'll click on yes, and boom, that's all. Okay, so currently, since I've not done anything, so it's currently 0 and 0 steps. So if you're actually walking, Oraimo is going to read your steps. It's going to read the total steps you've actually walked. So if you're actually into crypto, you can actually make use of stepping or make use of sweat earn. It's more of like when you're actually working, you get to earn cryptocurrency. Okay, so with this your smartwatch, you can get to improve all of that. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys, on this video. As you can see right here, you can still do more sports right here on the Oraimo smartwatch. So that's it, guys, on how to go ahead and start a workout on your Oraimo smartwatch. If you actually enjoyed this video, guys, kindly subscribe, like, share, and see you guys in another video. Bye for now.